Hey coaches, in this video I just want to give you some ideas for games you could play while building from the back. Now, I've used the phrase game day, and because the concept is, if you wanted, to spend your entire training session playing a game, and then variations of the same game with certain restrictions to get a desired outcome. In this case, we want to improve our players' ability to build from the back, their confidence, composure, decision making, while exposing them to game-like scenarios. So that's why I presented this video, but take the games or ideas as you wish and modify them. So here's how I'd have my field set up. Got the white team starting with a goal kick, a navy team defending, 2 counter goals, and then a coach acting as a number 9 target player for the white team, as well as a 4-5 for the navy team. It doesn't have to be a coach, could be an extra player or a goalie. Right now I have 18 players on the field, and so again we're just going to play. Here's another way I might shape my team as we work on building on the back, just to show you. And so the idea is, for game day, we're going to play 4 games. So the first game is going to be the game in its simplest form without restrictions. We're going to play 12 minutes with 6-minute halves. So each team is going to get 6 minutes to try and build out the back and get as many points as they can. So the way it works, we're going to start with a goal kick. So every time the ball goes out of bounds, we're going to start with a goal kick. And the way to score is I'm going to give the white team 1 point for scoring in the counter goals or finding the coach as a target player, 2 points for penetrating dribble through the middle of the field, and then 3 points for a penetrating dribble through the wide areas. I'm using the point system to get based on the style of play I'd like to see, which is to encourage play through the wide areas. The navy team will get a point for every goal they score on the big goal. So this is just game 1 in its simplest form. Again, the white team will have 6 minutes, and I might even give the white team, or the team that's building on the back, a 1-minute tactical timeout if they would like. And the white team just scored 2 points there for penetrating dribble through the middle. If the goalkeeper were to save a shot from the navy team, we quickly get into our shape for a goalkeeper distribution. So that's the game. That's game 1. Here's what it might look like if you have smaller field availability, just small-sided again, move the goals up and take a couple players off. So that's game 1. Game 2, I might tell my team, the team that's building on the back, you've got to score within 6 passes. And I tell the team defending, you've got to win the ball back in 10 seconds. So the idea is each game, each of the 4 games you play, you're going to give a different restriction or challenge to each team based on the outcome that you're trying to achieve. You can take players off. You can say the ball must touch each player before you can score. You have to work the ball up to the number 9 and then all the way back to the goalie to score. You've got 10 seconds to move the ball across halfway. It all has to be one touch. It's really up to you as a coach, just to be creative and have fun with it. And while it's not perfect, here's an example of how this type of training paid off for one of our Cincy SC teams. They scored a couple times this way this season. Here's building from the back, so you're going to have 1 pass, 2 pass. Again, not perfect, but the type of training we did paid off. There's the 3rd pass, 4, 5, 6, 7, goal. All started from building from the back.